Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, ST. What's happening, West Coast? I love Cali. Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, ST.
All right, here we go. We're about to ball up. Jovin's in town again for a little bit, so you know what it is. Ball is life. Ball is life. Well, here we go. Time to play some ball. Headed to McKenzie Park. What's up, player? Ready? Oh man, we can't have this music because it's gonna be copyrighted. Got Amir Khan over here.
He ain't like me. A lot of girls like me.
What's up, girl? You want? Oh, I left the calamansi lager at home. There is one, and I haven't tried it yet. Why aren't you shooting around, girl? Hey, where's your mask down? Why'd you take your mask off?
Because I'm hot.
Okay. Just got done balling up. Going to the homie's Dex's house. Pick up his Civic. Need to do a B12 service on it. By the way, just got done playing ball, but this is Santa Venetia where we also ball, but we're chilling at McKenzie today. Balling up. Just pulled into his garage. Like, he got the treadmill going. I won't be using that thing though. I'm good. All right, just pulling up to the pad. I'm gonna work on the homie Dex's car. 2016 Civic B12. Let's go. So before getting started, he has this dealer installed alarm, non-factory. This is not a Honda component. Dealers like installing this because I have no idea, probably for more cheese, but this causes more trouble than anything because it adds to more parasitic draw. And you know, I'll explain that more later. I know his AC system's working awesome because he has a new condenser and new compressor. This generation Civic, starting from 2016, is known to have AC leakage from condensers, compressors, and evaporators, sadly to say. Anyhow, let's continue. Super tech. Oh man, what happened here, Dex? What happened? Put this cover. Aerodynamic. This gets in the way. I just discovered something right now. Shout out to Chris again. Look at this. It fits on the Honda filter. Same manufacturer or what? Probably. Made this mug with a snap-on flex head ratchet. Be good to go. It doesn't need to be a snap-on ratchet either. But y'all already know that. Oh my God, like butter. What is going on? That is what's up. Whoa! Pebbles falling in my face. Oh shoot, made a mess. Come on, man. So I got that cardboard there. Shoot. Really shouldn't use this microfiber cloth, but it's seen better days. And it's the closest rag to me right now anyway. Aluminum, folks. Leveling out the car so I can put some oil in it and do the rest of the stuff. Don't ever go underneath this car without jack stands. I'm not going under there, so don't even trip. Earth dreams. Seven. 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 Oh, you better be a seven. Oh yeah, even tires. You don't need a tire rotation, Dex. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do the brake inspection with a mirror so I don't have to remove the tires. But first, let's move on to the filters. Engine filter. Not too bad, but it is still dirty. And change it anyway. And we have the wrong filter. That sucks. Terrible. Terrible. Okay, gotta put this aside. There's the difference right there. It's off by one letter. Terrible. AC filter looks right, but I'm not taking no chances. I'm gonna pull out the old one and see. Alright, side by side. Good to go. Alright, got my handy dandy mirror. Let's see what I see. Oh, plenty of brakes. I want to say that's 80-90% left still. Let's start the car, make sure there's no leaks. All right, it's the next day. Ran out of memory on my phone last night, so didn't really get to complete the video. When I get to Dex's place, I'm gonna go over what was done to his car. Oh, and while we're at it, let's go ahead and reset this light. Just hold down on this button right here. Wait until it starts blinking. Let go, hold it down again. Good to go. Also need to mention, anytime you rotate the tires, in this case we didn't, he didn't need a tire rotation, but we did adjust the tire pressure, so you need to recalibrate the TPMS, and that's by pushing down on this. You hold it down and you wait until the tire light starts blinking. So note to Dex, we did your B12 service at 76,672 miles. Keep that in mind. All right, here we go. Time to deliver the car. Just got to Dex's place. Gonna go over his car with him real quick. So like I said, your tires, they're fairly new, huh? Did you just get them? Okay, no wonder. Yeah, they're 7s all the way around. You'll see on the video. Change your oil. Check the brakes. You're about 75 to 80%. Yeah. You probably did that not too long ago as well, right? Yeah. Okay. Have you ever did the CVT, the transmission fluid, ever? Like at least once? At least once? Okay, just making sure. If you did it at least once, then you're good. You can wait until the light comes on again for the reminder. I set the tire pressures to 34, spare tire to 60. Oh, do me a favor, step on your brakes so I can check the brake lights. All right, brake lights are all good. Cool. All right, Dex, we finally got the correct filter. So you see this, all that dirt? You don't want that dirt going in your motor, so that's the whole purpose of an engine filter, to not allow that stuff to get in there. Car Shop 101.
There it is.
Oh yeah, you already know, gotta make that daing silog. Not top silog. Gotta get the fried rice going with the garlic. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Oh, you know, breakfast at night, that mimosa. And of course, you gotta have this stuff right here.